Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for the weekend, October 27th to 28th, 2018. For your Saturday, we have a coastal system affecting the region today, and that will bring heavy rain to the region very early this morning. I don't think this is going to be lasting all day today. We're going to taper showers, drizzle, mist throughout the entirety of the day, but we will have the heaviest of the rain end by probably mid-morning in most areas. From south to north, and we will have a very windy time at it this morning with wind gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour, with isolated gusts 50 miles per hour or greater over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey especially, and that's going to go through about noon. So the wind you're having right now will continue through about noon, and then we'll start to gradually decrease those winds during the course of the afternoon. And of course, the rain is going to subside this afternoon too, and we're going to just get to just intermittent showers and drizzle and mist. It's going to continue through the late afternoon and maybe early evening hours before the system pulls away into New England. Here is the NAM high-res future simulated radar for 8 a.m. on Saturday, and we can see some embedded heavier rain taking place here at this point. This is, again, 8 o'clock. Going forward from this point, though, you can see it's starting to lift off to the north, so it's going to be concentrated across northeastern Pennsylvania at 10. Here's 11. Here's 12. You can start to see what's going on here at this point, just some scattered showers in the wake of the heavy rain that took place earlier this morning. And then once we get past this point, we just have some intermittent drizzle, mist, kind of, just a gloomy kind of day here today on Saturday. Not a lot of rain after mid-morning, but we will have the persistent drizzle, mist, and light showers continuing through late afternoon. Here's a look at 5 p.m., here's 6, here's 7, here's 8. So we'll continue across eastern Pennsylvania here through the evening hours before finally tapering off after that point as it moves off to the north. And then we will have a break in the action as we get to Sunday. Now, Sunday is going to be a mostly cloudy day. I'm not expecting any precipitation during the daylight hours on Sunday. So if you do have anything planned this weekend, the better of the 2 days, of course, is Sunday versus Saturday. And we have, here's a look at Sunday afternoon. Nothing really going on across the region as far as precipitation is concerned. But you will have a trailing piece of energy that's going to move through the region. It's going to dive down through our region here on Sunday night and early Monday. And it's going to give us another round of showers. And you can see that right here moving across the region. Not a lot of rain with this one. This one is going to be generally 1/10 of an inch to maybe between 1/10 and 2/10 of an inch of rain. Not really a big deal in the grand scheme of things, and no wind to speak of like we're going to have this morning. Now getting into Monday, this is Monday morning. I'm looking at right here with some leftover showers. And then we're going to have decreasing clouds in the afternoon. But we'll remain mostly cloudy, I would say, through the latter part of the day. And then we get into Tuesday where we have partly to mostly sunny skies with high pressure moves in. You can see that right here, the big H sitting over Pennsylvania. It's actually centered further south, but we'll have the high pressure influence giving us partly to mostly sunny skies on Tuesday. And temperatures will remain on the lower side of average through Tuesday and before this high pressure moves off the coast. And we'll have a return of warmer air. And you see that right here on Wednesday. Here's a look at Wednesday, and the warmer air will start coming into the picture with high pressure off to the east. There will be a cold front off to our west that's going to stay off here to the west on. This is going to stay off to the west on Wednesday, but the high pressure off to our east is going to give a return flow around it. Winds from the southwest, and we're going to get the winds. With the winds from the southwest, we're going to have the temperatures go up on Wednesday, is what I was trying to say, and that will get temperatures back in the 60s. For highs on Wednesday, and then I think that's going to stick in place for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, where I'll have temperatures pretty close to the 60-degree mark on all 3 days. So a little bit of a mild stretch coming ahead of this frontal boundary, which will come through on Thursday. A little bit of a timing difference and discrepancy between the NAM and the GFS and the European model with the progression of this front. But it does look like it's going to be at some point on Thursday. So we do have scattered showers moving along that front, and maybe some residual showers continuing on Friday with this front being hung up and maybe low pressure trying to form along that boundary, bringing us a few more showers here on Friday. So unsettled this to this weekend, and then we're going to have an unsettled period to end the week. But it will be milder at the end of the week than we have been recently, with temperatures near or above 60 degrees in some locations, and we're not going to have temperatures in the 40s and 50s for highs like we've had for quite some time. So we will get a little bit of a break. And this going into November, it looks like if you saw the long-range outlook that we did yesterday, we will have some opportunities for some warmer risks in the early November timeframe. The first couple weeks of November, we'll have an opportunity for some warmer risks rather than cooler. And then once we get past that and headed into Thanksgiving week, toward the end of the period, we'll start turning cooler once again. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marcheshead is our outlook for October 27th and 28th, 2018. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.